IT sprawl, meaning managing your legacy infrastructure, consumes a tremendous amount of customers' budgets. The numbers you see up here are actually real. They're from a global survey. And what they tell you is most customers today spend more than 70% of their IT budget just managing infrastructure that they already have. And they only get to spend about 30%, or in some cases far less than that, doing really what they want to do with their IT dollars. And that is using them for innovation. Innovation to launch either new businesses and applications to support new businesses, or new applications to help them become more competitive in the businesses they're already in. So really what we set out to do, and what our whole strategy is built upon, is helping customers reverse this ratio so that they can spend less money on their infrastructure and spend more money doing what they want to do with it. And that is on innovation to help their businesses. And in doing this, and in solving this problem, we believe we're ushering in one of the greatest changes in our industry over the past 2 decades. And we call that change moving to the HP converged infrastructure. So why is it such a big change? Well, the reason is this. For the past 2 decades, all infrastructure has really been built in silos. People have built individual stacks of servers, individual stacks of storage, individual stacks of networking, individual stacks of management. One of the unique things about HP is we're the only large company in IT that actually develops all of those different products. And because we develop all those different products, we can, from the ground up, integrate and develop them together in such a way that we bring these technologies back together again. And by reintegrating servers with storage, with networking, with management, we believe this helps customers solve that problem of the 70-30.
Silos, because the old way of deploying infrastructure needs to change, especially since our customers, as Dave shared with you, are spending 70% of their revenue on maintenance and operations. And I just want to give you a little bit more context on that. We're already spending approximately $10 billion US dollars on this, and it's expected to grow another $1 billion in maintenance and operations over the next 2 years to 2012. So it's a real problem for our customers, and why what Dave shared with you is so important, and why we want to share with you how we're innovating to really deal with this and eliminate sprawl. And our answer for this really is converged infrastructure. It's a blueprint that, as you saw it from the different technologies he previewed, where we're sharing common modular components and integrating those technologies into pools of resources. Because ultimately, IT and our customers are wanting to deploy application services, which require servers, networking, storage, and those applications to be seamlessly integrated into that architecture.
The demands and the dependencies on IT by any business grows every single year. IT is critical to driving your business. And so I tell my organization there's 4 ways we deliver value to our corporation, to Intel. And everything you do has to be aligned to one of those 4 values. We deliver value with information technology by increasing employee productivity, whether it's giving them a next generation compute solution or a next generation collaboration solution. IT makes employees work smarter. We deliver value to the corporation by driving business growth, by rapidly deploying new IT solutions in support of new business opportunities. We deliver value to the corporation by supporting the bottom line, driving down the cost of operations through our continuous automation of our factories, lights out fabs across the world, through new integrated solutions that make a direct connect between your demand signal and your supply signal, helping to drive down inventory, directly impacts the bottom line. And of course, we're expected to continuously improve the effectiveness and efficiency of our IT operations as a whole. We have to continue to deliver all the capabilities year over year at a lower cost while improving our service level agreement, making IT run more efficiently. That's how we deliver value.